Got her.
You got her?
Where is she?
Where's that at? Is she alive?
She looks fine.
Okay. All right. Okay.
And I'll talk to you the whole time.
Okay.
All right, so he said she's out back here. How far?
About 420 feet from that barn in that backyard. It'd be off to the left of the house.
Yes.
That one right there.
Hey, Josh, I have him on the phone.
I'm here right now.
Hey, Quentin.
Yeah, did you see me waving the bag?
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah, I just walked through that swamp.
Can you get around the swamp to the left?
Yeah, I think I might be able to. And you zoomed in, you could tell for sure it was her.
But definitely her, 100%.
Okay, this is literally like a mini cliff up here. I mean, it's not a huge one, but it's every bit of 20, 30 feet to the top of it.
Yeah, she's up there.
I gotta put my phone in my pocket.
She's standing up looking towards him in his direction.
So she can either smell him or hear him.
Does she have good recall?
Yeah, she'll respond to him.
She's going towards him.
Oh, thank God.
He's got her.
Yes! Oh my God, dude, you are amazing.
I have her. I don't know how I'm gonna get us down out of here, but I have her.
You were hiding from us. She's tougher than I thought she was.